Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2025 Audi RSQ8. This one's fully loaded with the carbon fiber package and whatever else comes with it. 23-inch wheels with the carbon ceramic rotors. This is the same vehicle that is sent to Lamborghini for the Urus platform. Obviously, it's not set with the same fenders and skin and other things, but the motor, driveline, drivetrain, wheels, that type of stuff is the same. Let's go over this car. It's a full wrap with Xpel Ultimate Plus. Lots of ceramic on it, and these come with a flat or matte carbon fiber. This one was paint protected with gloss because the gloss carbon fiber pops more than the matte. Even though this is kind of like the matte carbon fibers, you know, one of the things that Audi does for this car. I think it was a good choice by this person to gloss out the carbon fiber. They did the mirrors, they did that full grille. Now, when I wrap that, I make sure it's the full thing so there's no break in it and it looks original. Once we get into the interior, we haven't done that. I'm going to do it next week. We're going to do all this in gloss because they ordered a steering wheel that has the digital thing and carbon fiber and gloss. So they want the interior, all that carbon fiber and matte, to be gloss. So that's going to be quite a job. We can't get any water in any of this, but I can do it. Done it before. The tint on this is XR Plus as well. You can see the custom shaving I did. Everything's really nice on this car. It's perfect. Just like everything I do. All the handles came out. Everything is just beautiful. But it's a beautiful car. I mean, for 160,000 bucks. I think the thing's a rocket ship. Guy took me for a ride in it, and it's just absolutely just amazing. But let's take a look. Hood. I'm starting with the hood. Perfect. Car's fully corrected, fully deconned, meaning I clean that paint until it's like brand new for after the paint shop at the Audi factory, and then we apply the paint protection film. No edges on this car anywhere. You will not find any edges anywhere on this thing. These here are 100% wrapped, and there's 2 layers underneath because we don't want any of this paint to get damaged. We did 2 layers on the rockers. The hood has 2 layers of 10 mil. This carbon fiber has 2 layers of 8 mil, 2 layers of 8 mil here and here. All the way under is 2 layers of 10 for the flat carbon fiber, way under there. So you don't have to go with just one. I mean, if you want to pay for it and you want to protect your car, so you got 2 layers on this whole face, either 10 mil and 8. The fenders are done in 1 layer of 8. All this is 8. Mirrors are 1 layer of 8. Doors 8. Rockers are 2 layers of 10. And they're all fully wrapped in. And handles are fully wrapped. And again, I took all that out, so we have no lines anywhere. All these moldings are actually done, by the way. I don't normally do this, but these are all wrapped in PPF. It's real tough because there's nowhere to wrap it, so eventually you're going to start seeing a little white line. I just tell the client to bring it back. We'll take care of it. Fuel door. Quarter panel, fully wrapped in, no line, all this. So all the edges are wrapped into this port and the door. So far you haven't seen one line on this car. Everything looks fantastic. Keep it in mind, all under here is 2 layers. The front is 1. Back here, it's all 1. He wanted to keep these covered because of splash. It doesn't interfere with the parking sensors. Back here, we changed this carbon fiber with a gloss PPF. We're going to carbon fiber this, but we're trying to find one that'll match. The S-Tech product is a little too black. They're a carbon fiber, but we'll find one out there. Someone's going to have a more gray, like the real carbon fiber. And that's pretty much it. Everything is on this car perfect. Full roof. That's done in 10 mil. And that's 2 layers of 10, like I mentioned. But everything looks fantastic. This grill, that's wrapped. That's wrapped. That's wrapped. All this flat stuff is wrapped. All in PPF. Quite a bit of work on it, but it looks fantastic. That is the 2025 RSQ8. We put some ghost links on it to when it's in dynamic mode. It sits about that far above the rubber. Now it sits at the rubber, so that's its lowest point. The ghost links are about 250 bucks online at ghostlink.com, I think, out of Los Angeles. But we put those on. They're real simple. They take 15 minutes. And that's it. So tint, PPF, ceramic like crazy. Interior is going to get the gloss PPF on the carbon fiber and the steering wheel. I don't know when that steering wheel is going to get here, but we'll change that out. And we did the ghost links on it. So there it is. And ceramics also on the wheels. And there you go. Beautiful. 2025 Audi RSQ8. Fully loaded with all the protection products you can get. And there it is. Clearbrow, North Dallas. I'm Brent. I'm the one that did the job. I'm the one you'll talk to. I'm the one that does the work. And if you guys need any questions, you can call me at cell phone 940-703-8301. Remember, if you don't leave a message, I can't get you. Everybody likes to hang up today. We need to get that patience back in us, like back in the 80s and stuff. And if you want to just email me, it's clearbrownorthdallas@gmail. And the website's Clearbrow North Dallas up there, clearbrownorthdallas.com. So thanks for watching us. Take care. Have a good day.